Muskan Rastogi practiced using a knife for 8 days leading up to the murder of her husband, Saurabh Rajput. As police probes deeper into the brutal murder, more chilling details are emerging. Police claim now that 8 days before the crime, Saurabh's wife and prime accused Muskan Rastogi bought two knives for Rs 800 and rehearsed how to stab multiple times. The investigation has now revealed that Muskan, unsure of her skill with the knives, bought a cutthroat razor and was used to sever Saurabh's head from his body. Muskan and her lover Sahil Shukla were arrested last week for allegedly murdering her husband Saurabh Rajput at their Meerut home on the night of March 3rd. The body was chopped off into 15 pieces, put into a plastic drum, and buried under cement. These pieces were recovered 2 weeks later after Muskan confessed to her parents and they took her to the police. Saurabh's family had meanwhile filed a police complaint after they could not contact him over the phone. The investigation into the gruesome murder uncovered a dark tale of addiction, betrayal, and cruelty. It was revealed that Muskan and Sahil were involved in drugs, fearing Saurabh would end their sessions. Saurabh was aware of their affair and even contemplated divorce, but ultimately decided against it for the sake of his 6-year-old daughter. Working in London, he had returned to Meerut for his daughter's birthday. Police sources indicated that Saurabh's visa was nearing expiration and he intended to renew it during this visit. He had also planned to take his wife and daughter to London, but Muskan refused, preferring to stay in Meerut, likely to be with Sahil. Saurabh then resolved to take his daughter and applied for her passport. According to the probe so far, Muskan drugged Saurabh with sleeping pills on the night of March 3rd. Once he dozed off, she stabbed him thrice in the chest with a knife. Then she used a cutthroat razor to slit his throat. The task of severing the head from the torso fell onto Sahil, who used a knife for this, the probe has found. The two then chopped off the body into 15 pieces. These pieces were thrown into the drum and sealed with wet cement. According to the investigation and accused statement, the initial plan was to pour mud over Saurabh's body part and plant a sapling in the drum. But later, Muskan and Sahil considered the stench factor and decided that wet cement would be a better option to conceal the body. They made one mistake. They did not factor in the drum's weight, and when they called in some laborers to dispose of it, they could not lift it. Muskan panicked and confessed to her parents.